All right, Galaxie cold start. All right, let's head under the Galaxie. You got a new fuel tank, got a beautiful exhaust system, and everything looks like it was completely gone through. It's got, like, look at all the front end components. Everything looks great up here, and looks like that's all been rebuilt and gone through. And the floors are just fantastic, actually. You can see up here all the inner rockers. No rust under here. I can't see any rust whatsoever. Over here, sorry, it's a little glary, but it's just as good over here. It's really solid and nice. Just beautiful under here. You got drums up front and on the rear. I suppose somebody could upgrade it, but this is just a preservation car that's been very mindfully preserved and looks like totally gone through underneath, including that new fuel tank, great exhaust, front end components, and drives great. All right, well, the car is really clean, though I haven't even washed it, but I'd like to go around the lower part of the car with a really light magnet with a little plastic clear film on the back, and this thing is really nicely painted. I mean, really nicely done. It looks like they really took this car apart and did a super respectful preservation, I would say almost like factory level paint job on it. It's beautiful. Great color too. Got some stuff on it. That'll come off. That's just grime. Really good. Let's go over to this quarter. And I took nice pictures of the inner quarters and inner rockers and stuff. Go around. You know, you can really tell, like, when the paint at the lower part of a car is just as nice as it is at the top, that somebody did a great job. And I think I'm going to have a light polish done because you can kind of see there's something a little right there. There's a little something. That's it so far. Ain't much, and whatever was done looks nice. Wow, that is really, really nice. Really well done.